Hello, Oprah Winfrey. Wherever you are, I think it's very nice for you to listen to this text which you have written. I'm proud that I come across this text of yours. And I'm reading this text from Holland. I hope you come in Holland one day, or I come to America to meet you. It isn't until you come to a spiritual understanding of who you are, not necessarily religious feeling, but deep down the spirit within, that you can begin to take control. To take control sometimes is very hard, but to believe in yourself, in a spiritual way of life, and to carry your love where you are in the world is very important. This text of yours that brings a lot of love to the people. And thank you that I managed to read your text. And God bless you. Thank you.
Uitgedaagd worden. Uiteindelijk bedoeld om bij je gevoel terecht te komen, vanuit je gevoel te leven. Dat is steeds waar het in draait om het leven. We zijn hier om dingen te doorvoelen, maar we willen eigenlijk niet voelen. Belangrijk is ook dat je vandaag leert vertrouwen op je heldervoelendheid. Je